Hello, do you know the number bonds for addition for number 17? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to give you some examples today. So, number bonds for the number 17. You could do one like this. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Because remember, number bonds are where two numbers which added together equal, in this case, 17. So that's correct. Alright, what about this one? 14 plus 3. What's that? Does that equal 17? Yes, it does. Well done. Really good. Okay, what about this last one then? Bit trickier. 5 plus 13. Does that equal 17? Is that one you've got to use your head? Well done. It doesn't, does it? You worked it out, because that equals 18. It's one too many. So that can't be a number bond for 17, okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!